Hi Coronado, I'm Blair King, Coronado City Manager, and this is the weekly update for the week ending February the 26th, 2021. The 2021 Coronado Community Read is wrapping up its programming this week, and the city thanks all who have participated. This year's Community Read was stamped from the beginning by Ibram X. Kendi. More than 900 people participated in book discussions, 2 moderated panels, movie showings, and other events. The virtual panel, Race in the News, was streamed live on CBS 8 website. The other virtual panel focused on building inclusive communities and featured San Diego County Supervisor Nora Vargas. Multiple residents reached out to the Coronado Public Library to say that they enjoyed the book and the programming on the important topics of race and inclusion. Check the weekly update online to find links to watch the panel and other events. EDCO's anaerobic digestion facility is nearly complete, and that means starting Monday, March the 1st, Coronado residents may recycle food waste in their green trash bins. The EDCO Organic Recycling Program will help reduce the amount of organic waste entering landfills. Customers will place food scraps and food soiled paper along with yard waste in their green waste containers to be recycled. The facility breaks down microorganisms, food and yard waste and transforms them into natural gas that will be used to run EDCO vehicles. Any reusable containers can be used as a kitchen caddy, but EDCO also has an optional free kitchen caddy. Visit www.edcodisposal.com and click on the Residential Service Organics page to place an order and for additional organics information. The Coronado Police Department hosted its most recent Ride to Live motorcycle training class last Saturday, February the 20th at Silver Strand State Beach. It was the 3rd class offered since the department was awarded a grant from the California Office of Traffic Safety. The class had 22 participants, all of whom were awarded certificates of completion. Participants spent the day interacting with Coronado motorcycle officers and learned skills designed to improve their safety on the road. The program is so popular that all scheduled classes are full. Riders interested in participating should contact Corporal Anthony Flores at aflores@coronado.ca.us to be placed on the waiting list. The police department has applied to renew its grant and is hoping to have more classes available by October. Work to install a new retaining wall at Centennial Park is set to begin on Monday, March the 1st, and is completed by April 18th. The Port of San Diego, in partnership with the city, will remove and dispose of existing wood, logs, concrete, and rock revetment and install a new concrete retaining wall. The fortified structure will hold the embankment, prevent erosion, and retain public beach access. Work will take place next to the small sandy beach, north of the ferry landing at the end of Orange Avenue at 1st Street. A portion of the park and beach where contract work is being conducted will be closed. Otherwise, the park is suspected to remain open. Starting Monday, March the 1st, the city's site for COVID-19 viral rapid antibody testing will operate 1 day a week on Mondays. This is due to a reduction in the number of people seeking testing. Hours at the site at the Coronado Clubroom and Boathouse will remain 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. The city has offered this testing site for the convenience of Coronado residents since January. Visit the city's COVID-19 testing webpage for more information and a link to the reservation system. The San Diego County health officials have announced that vaccinations will be expanded to include 3 new sectors: emergency service personnel, child care and education, and food and agriculture, starting Saturday, February the 27th. With vaccination delivery back on schedule following severe winter weather, the city and Sharp Coronado Hospital vaccination site continues to administer the Moderna vaccine. The 2 days last week, Sharp administered the Pfizer vaccination and will email those patients to reschedule for a second Pfizer dose. San Diego County residents may make appointments by using the county's vaccination site. Emails will be sent to those who received their first dose in Coronado with a link to available dates for a second dose. Appointments are required. For those interested in the status of the temporary public art installation at the old Cormart building next to the Vons, here's an update. Based on the submittals by Vons of plans to rehabilitate their space, what the city believes to be the imminent start of the work there, the city will not freshen up the mural which was installed in 2018 to temporarily cover the building and provide for a more vibrant appearance to the old storefront and the Orange Avenue commercial corridor. The new construction includes 3 new art pieces on the facade of Vons. The Coronado Police Department is working to launch the public portion of a powerful and comprehensive records management system. The system allows officials and other personnel to better organize, track, and access the vast amount of information that flows through the agency every day. The goal of the system is to make the department's statistics more readily available to the public via an online tool. This selected data is anticipated to include incident mapping, crime mapping, arrests, online vacation house check requests, patrol requests, security camera registration, among other data. This is the modern-day version of the old-fashioned police scanner. More details will be released when the rollout date is determined. The City Council authorized staff to execute a comprehensive grounds maintenance, landscape, and refuse management service contract to deliver a higher level of service for Coronado's parks, its medians, parkways, and other city-owned public spaces. The city's current service agreement is nearing the end of its maximum term. The goal of the program is to maintain a clean and safe environment that inspires public confidence, creates an aesthetically pleasing and beautiful landscape throughout the city, and maintains the Coronado appearance that many come to expect from our world-class destination community. The contract requires a premium level service for the city's most visible areas and includes higher standards of maintenance for the highway medians on the Silver Strand. One unique and important feature of this contract is that it requires third-party independent quality control, inspections, and reporting. The city will sign a contract with Benchmark Landscape Services in the very near future. Royce is this week's Pet of the Week.
Hi, my name is Erin and I'm a volunteer here at the Coronado Animal Care Facility with Paws of Coronado. This week our Pet of the Week is Royce. Royce is a 1.5-year-old pit bull mix who weighs 50 pounds. He is a super friendly dog who has a lot of energy and gets excited about every person he meets. Underneath all of that goofy young dog energy, Royce is a sweet and gentle boy whose appreciation for treats has already led to him learning down and sit. He would love to have a family who would continue with his training where he can be the only pet. And because he's still working on learning not to express his affection by jumping up on you, he would probably do better in a home without young kids who could easily be knocked down. As with all of our animals, Royce is neutered and microchipped. He's up to date on his vaccinations, and he's available for an adoption fee of $125. Please be aware that due to the ongoing pandemic, the Coronado Animal Care Facility is currently open by appointment only. If you're interested in adopting Royce or any of our animals, you can visit us online to fill out an application, and one of our adoption counselors will get back to you regarding the next steps.
For more information on these events and all the city's news, check out the City Manager's Weekly Update that's online.